welcome back to my channel. I have a very special guest here with us today.
Hi. As you can know,
You gotta look at Baba when you're
I'm
talking.
my mom's daughter. And we wanted to do a twin video. So we're just so excited to show you guys this video. Aren't we, Mom?
Yes, so excited. So I thought we'd film kind of like a get ready video. I'm gonna do a look and Layla's gonna kind of follow along.
These are the looks that we're going to be doing.
If you want to see how we get this look and if you want to learn a little bit more about Layla,
Then keep watching.
okay.
Smells like fresh
All right, so to
donut.
get started, we gotta prep our skin, Layla.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna use the Embryolisse Le Creme Concentrate.
Am I going to use a different one?
Nope, you're gonna use the same one because we're doing the same look.
Okay.
Okay, so I just like to take like that much.
And I just like to say that much. We just rub it all over the face, right?
Totally.
I knew it. Just like hair conditioner with face cream.
This is gonna be trippy. Okay. Just don't get it over your eyelashes like Mama did. Don't do that.
No.
So Layla, how old are you?
7.
When's your birthday?
October 3rd.
Love it. What's your favorite toy?
LOL surprise. And Shopkins.
Those are your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's
Let's
your
let it-
favorite food? My favorite food is pasta and pizza. Do you have a
Yeah. Do you have a second name?
second name?
What is it?
Lilish.
Lilish is her nickname. Wait, or what's your middle name? Get
There.
Baba.
Oh, what? There we go. Right.
Yeah. What? You had to.
Nor's eye.
So first, we're gonna slick down our eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. And what does that do, Layla?
It, like, fix your eyebrow.
No, it like makes them stay down.
Oh, yeah,
Like-
I forgot.
I think we should do a little powder.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some.
Okay, are we going to do it all over your face?
Yeah, I'll show you. So you have to pay attention to what I'm doing, okay? So we're gonna
You
take
guys
the powder.
pay attention.
Yeah,
you
guys.
y'all pay attention to my mother.
Okay, y'all. Okay, you're gonna take your powder. You're gonna swirl it. Okay, ready? Just gonna do a light dusting. Okay, we have some questions.
Okay, just ask me.
Why are you so cute?
I don't know. Because my mother and father.
What do you want to be when you get older?
I want to be a surgeon for animals.
A surgeon for animals? I love that.
Because I love animals and I want to be a doctor. So I just like.
How much do you love the Ace family?
Oh, I love them so much.
You what?
I love them so much.
You do?
Yeah. Shout out to the Ace family, just so you know.
What would a perfect day look like for you? Like perfect day. Like if Bob was like, let's do whatever you want today. What does that look like? What are you doing that day?
I don't know. Like boondocks, yeah. Boondocks.
Boondocks?
Yeah. And then we go on
Oh.
vacation. Before we went to LA, you were like doing your ballet dance in front of Aisha. That's
like
the
that?
funniest thing that you have.
Really? What's your favorite thing about school?
Mine is PE. 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 PE.
So, I just did my eyebrows off camera. We're gonna be using this new palette from Ojai. It's an Urban Outfitters. It's the Urban Outfitters makeup line. Got all these really pretty colors in it.
We love them.
We love them. Layla, what colors did you want to use today?
I wanted to use this one, this one,
Okay.
this one, and this one.
Oh, that's a lot. We're gonna see what we have.
And I want to do eyeliner with a lid.
Oh. So, I'm gonna do more neutral colors, okay, Layla?
Yeah.
Just gonna take a little bit of this orange. Ooh, that is orange. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What am I doing?
It's not so normal.
It's not so normal. No, it's not.
Do you open?
Okay. So, we're gonna start on Layla's eyeshadow. So this is the Sephora eye tape.
Yeah, just like these.
Look at me. Good. Oh, is that comfortable? Other side. Look at me. This way. Layla, this way. Look at me. Okay. So now that Layla's got some eye tape, we're gonna the Oh Hi. This is the Treasure palette, I believe. How about we do purple, pink, and gold? I think that'll really go together.
Yeah. I was
okay?
about to say that.
Morphe blending brush.
Morphe blending brush.
If you could have anyone from the past, present, or future as a dinner guest, who would it be? Who would you have over for dinner?
I would have 2 people. Katy Perry and Taylor Swift.
Oh, yes!
And Ellen.
Ellen! Next, what's your favorite makeup product, Layla?
What's my favorite makeup product? I have 3.
Okay. What are
Lipstick, eyeshadow, and blush.
you see? You match the background. What a great color, huh? Lipstick, eyeshadow, and blush. Okay. Next one is, what is your hidden talent?
I have 3.
You have 3.
Gymnastics, dancing. Well, dancing's not hidden. I dance all the time in gym. Singing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You're a really good singer. All right. What else? What's your
the gold.
favorite fish?
What's my favorite fish? I have a lot. It's gonna take like an hour to tell every single one.
No, but you need your one favorite.
Okay,
fish.
just one favorite. Parrot cichlid.
Oh, what?
Parrot cichlid.
Oh, okay, Millie. Okay. I think it's time for you to do contour and blush.
Hey! Okay, I want to do blush first
put
because I'm so good at blush.
Put it to where you can see. We got some more questions. What is your opinion about the hijab? Like, do you like it? Are you gonna wear it one day? Do you not like
Yeah,
it?
I love it. I like it. I want to wear it a lot.
What do you like and don't like about your mom? Jeez. Spill. Spill the tea, sister. Spill the tea. Oh, jeez.
I don't want to say something rude in front of the camera. I'll say it off the camera to you guys. I'm scared.
Now I'm scared. Yeah, what do you like?
About you?
Yeah. What do you like
You're
about me?
sweet and you care about me.
Oh, hey, girl. What's your favorite dessert?
Cupcakes and cake and cookies and candy. And it's such a pretty contour.
I mean, bronze. We're gonna bronze it. like to be? Sorry. Okay.
And the other thing that I like about my mom is she's fun.
I'm a cool mom.
Yak?
What's
I
your
always
favorite season?
Wait, summer,
Kapapa?
spring. Summer and spring.
Somewhere in spring. Not under your eye. Kind of on the side. Yeah, right there. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Now I have to contour my nose to make it look like yours now.
Okay.
If you could be any animal, what would you be and why?
A rabbit.
If you could be any animal, you would be
The one that's Arctic. Arctic rabbit, because I can't get eaten so easily. Because I'm white and I could get in like the snow. I could, yeah, can't fly. I have to run fast. And be like,
What's your favorite book?
book. Malala.
Malala? That's really cute.
Movie. My favorite movie is, what is it called? Sing.
I love that movie.
What's my favorite color? Pink.
I'm going to do an orange lip. What color lip? You want to do pink since it matches your eyes? Okay, we're going to.
Like it. Why are you taking it off, Mama?
I think I need to do a new color. Do you watch YouTube videos, Layla? She's like, what kind of question is that? Oh, she just did the meme look. But,
It's so obvious.
and who's your favorite?
I'm not mad at you guys, just so you know. Love all of you guys, obviously. But I just don't know how you guys don't know that.
What's your favorite thing to do in Colorado?
Flying a kite and hula hooping.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys
Loved this video.
and got to know Layla a little bit. Because she's one charismatic, interesting little individual. Okay, until next time, we will talk to you all later.
Yep. Bye.
What are they supposed to do, Layla? What do you ask them to do?
Oh, comment down below.
Look at
Subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell button.
For notifications.
Yeah. For notification.
And until next time, we will talk to you all later.